If you plan on planting your own garden this spring, it's time to get your seeds started, okay? It's cheap and inexpensive. Use your egg cartons. That's what I do. Sometimes I buy those little seed starting kits. Excuse me. But sometimes I use my egg cartons, which is the best thing to use, I think. So I'm going to show y'all what I've already gotten started. So it's not too late. Go ahead. It's cheap and inexpensive. Buy your seeds. $1.44, $1.90, $1.44, $1.94 Burpee seeds at Walmart, wherever you want to get them from. And use your egg carton. Get some cheap soil. Get Jiffy seed starting mix. And get your seeds started. Let me show you what I have started already. I have, over here, I have some okra. I have this one with beefsteak tomato. He's struggling. This is, what it is, yellow bell peppers. This is yellow bell peppers, I'm assuming. We have jalapeno peppers, radishes, basil, peppers here. All kinds of things. We have, what is that over there? Cilantro. Look at that right there. So beautiful. I believe that's eggplant. It might be squash and it might be zucchini. I have some tomatoes over here. Isn't that pretty? See, these leaves are going to fall off. These are the true leaves of the plant. Let me show you what I got over here. Over here I have, look at that, beautiful. This is pepper down here. These are strawberries that they were in my yard and they were just running. So I cut them off and brought some indoors. Not cut them off. I dug some of them up and brought some indoors. Look there already. Strawberries are underway. So anyway, here are my egg cartons over here that I have set up. They're on a heat mat. Got them labeled. Beefsteak, tomatoes, cucumbers, collards. I don't even know what this stuff is, but whatever it is, I'm growing. Now, I have one more thing I'm going to show y'all. Got me some, Alexa, stop. Got me some seed starting trays. And, I'm going to show you. I started some seeds and put them in a, hang on, let me flip this. Put them inside of a trash bag as to be like a greenhouse. Put them on top of my refrigerator so that they can germinate. So I'm going to show you what that looks like. So this was on top of my refrigerator with my seeds starting trays. As they pop up through the soil, I take them out because once they germinate, they don't need to be covered up or greenhouse effect. So look, here is the one that was on my refrigerator, and bam, look at that. So over here in these over here are cherry tomatoes. This here is okra, and over here is zucchini squash. So what I'll do is I'll put these in containers. This, because they're already up and they don't need to be closed in. They need light now. So I'll sit them under the light so they can come on forth. So I'll just probably shouldn't take a red pen, but it really doesn't matter. It don't matter. Poke some holes in the bottom of these cups. Because if you don't poke holes and let the water drain through, the water will stay inside of the cup and rot out the roots to your sweet little old plant you work so hard to grow. Get your stuff together, honey. Inexpensive. You don't have to go out and dig up the yard or anything like that. Just do it in the house. For now, and so for a while, if you're on a budget, just put them in these cups and let them grow for a few weeks while you build up some money to put some in containers or put them outside. It's so easy. Grow your own food, and you don't have to worry about pesticides and all that stuff. So this is how I do this. It's quick and painless. Get my little cup. Y'all know I got kids, so it's gonna be loud. Get my little cup. The soil is pre-moistened. If it's not, then just wet it. This is what I do. I just dig it on out with this carefully. You know, see, the roots have not come to the bottom yet. I just dig it out, place it in the cup, put the little soil on around it. That one's done. I know y'all want to know what I've been doing. This is what I'm doing. It's a spoon. You can wash it out. No big deal. I mean, give y'all a closer view. Scoop it out. Scoop it out. See that one right there? You can see the roots. That's okay. I just keep these two together because they all hooked up together. And so, you know, maybe if I break them apart, they might stop growing. Maybe their roots are intertwined together. So when this gets a little bigger, I'm going to cut away the one that is not as healthy looking. It's okra. Do I like okra? I like it okay. But if the government shut down and I need to eat, will I eat okra? Girl, yeah. Boy, yeah. Will I put it in soup? Yep. Sure will. Will I fry it? Girl. Now just add them to the bigger okra over here. And this little light that I have here with 1200 lumens as daylight will shine on these little seedlings and help them kind of grow until the weather outside gets better. Although the weather is great now. Here's some more strawberries down here that's gonna grow. So exciting. Anyway, that's what I'm doing over here, getting my garden together because I cannot wait to see my tomatoes, not potatoes, my tomatoes and my peppers and all that grow. So excited. And my strawberries. I'm gonna be making a strawberry growing a crate where they hang out of the crate. So I'm excited about my little garden. Last year I wasn't very into it much. I mean, I did a few things, but I didn't watch it at all. Everything died. I didn't even try. But this time around, I'm really working hard to do a really great job at it. I plan on canning and freezing because it's very important. Y'all gonna laugh, but it's very important to be prepared because one day, what if the government shuts down and they only open back up for people who deny Christ or who takes the mark of the beast or who fit these circumstances or fit into this category? You know, you just have to learn how to you got to learn how some survival techniques around here. I'm serious. If I had my own way, I would live on the land. I really would. And wouldn't worry about all this other stuff. I would. And what about the recalls that's going on? Recall this and recall that. Recall this and recall that. So see, my thing is, if I start growing my own things, and I have also started to harvest or harbor or collect. Yeah, that's a better word. I've started to collect the seeds of the things that I'm eating, so that I won't have to go out and even buy seed. You know what I'm saying? God has provided for us. Every fruit bears seed of itself that will produce either a tree or plant, multiply. It will multiply. So I'm learning that because it's important to know that, you know. So I'm gonna tell you something. There's this video this channel on YouTube called Grandpa's Kitchen or something. He cooks for the orphans. Child, I want my husband to build me a cooking thing outside. I want the great big giant pots that Grandpa cook in, and the wood. I don't even need the wood. I can cut down the trees out there in the backyard. It's okay. I want a big wok. I mean, as big as can get, so I can cook outside. I'm telling you, you got to learn. You better learn. Y'all better learn. We living in the last days. Y'all better quit playing games. Y'all play too much. But anyway, so I'm excited. Needless to say, I'm excited about spring coming. I'm excited about growing my own food. I'm going to put a lot of this stuff up on my YouTube channel. I'm going to do cycles of growing as well, so that I can keep a steady flow of food coming in. My freezer going to be full, packed, full of what I grow myself. I've been talking to Kenneth about getting me some chickens, so I don't have to buy eggs. And I want me a real live homestead. I'm for real. Listen to them kids back there. They are wild. But anyway, that's what I'm putting my energy into. So if any of y'all are close to me or where I am or around me, y'all probably get bowls of vegetables. Oh, and another thing, you have not had a fried green tomato until you had a fried green tomato out of your garden with the tomato you grew. Child, you have not had a strawberry until you had one that you grew yourself, that was picked at the right time, not before time, and sent to you. Care.